Here's how to delete a Gmail account step by step in 2026. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. First, open Google Chrome and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign into the Google account that owns the Gmail address you want to delete. Once you're logged in, click on Data and Privacy from the left side menu. Scroll down until you see the section called Download or Delete Your Data. Now click on Delete a Google service. Google will ask you to re-enter your password to confirm it's really you. Find Gmail in the list and click the trash icon next to it. You'll need to enter a non-Gmail email address so Google can still contact you. Confirm the email, verify it, and click Delete Gmail. And that's it. Your Gmail account will be deleted while your Google account stays active. Like the video and subscribe for more quick Google tutorials.